Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to alphanumeric complex password in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, lock your screen and try to unlock your phone. It will ask your pin because you have already set pin as your current password. So here my password is 1775. Okay, click on the tick mark and now go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings of your phone and go to security, and here select screen lock. Now it will ask your current pin for authentication, that is 1775, and click on the enter. Now click on complex password. Here you can assign complex password, that is combination of letters and numbers, and it should be minimum 4 characters. Okay, so here I just give 087 and click on next. Again type the same complex password to verify. So type the same password. Here I type 087 and click on confirm. Yes, now complex password is applied, so it is changed from pin to complex password. Okay, now lock your phone and try to unlock your phone. It will ask your complex password, so give the complex password hereafter and keep remember it, so that you can unlock your phone. Otherwise you will face some difficulty to unlock. Then you need to or reset, or even you needed to, you will be required to reinstall OS. Okay, so be careful and keep your current password in mind. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.